I used to think that strength meant pushing through pain. I kept hitting the gym hard, pushing through the workouts, repeating week after week. I hardly spent enough time on stretching, on balance, or recovery. Then I found something that taught me the opposite. Pilates. Pilates connects you to your body in a way most exercises never does. You find muscles you didn't know you had a relationship with. Your glutes, your core, your obliques. Waking up in ways that have nothing to do with how hard you push. In my years of experience taking Pilates, I find that the apparatus works your muscles in different ways. Whether you're on the reformer, you're on the mat, or you're on the chair or on the barrel, they all call for different ways for your muscles to connect with the apparatus. So I just don't focus on just one form of Pilates. Some people may do just reformer, some people they may just do mat, but I focus on the classical Pilates taught by Joseph Pilates. Standing on this chair, one wrong shift and I'm off balance. It tells on me immediately which leg is stronger, how steady I actually am versus how steady I think I am. It's not about how much resistance I can fight. It's about staying steady when everything wants to tip me over. In case of, like when I get older, I don't want to fall. I want to make sure that my body is steady. That's not just Pilates. That's midlife. I'm in the season now to live my best life yet. And staying steady is my main focus. That's my whole game now, protecting this body so that it can age beautifully with power. In this season, I'm learning to hold my ground without gripping so hard. That's a thread that ties everything together for me. Whether it's on the chair, Pilates, off of the chair, my daily activities, my approach to life. Every woman should have this in her workout plan. Joseph Pilates called this method Contrology, not Pilates, because the whole point was the coordination of your body, mind, and spirit, not brute effort. One last quote before I let you all go. When all your muscles are properly developed, you will perform your work with minimum effort and maximum pleasure.